Hello, it is Teacher Sarah, and today we are going to talk about feelings. Feelings. How do you feel? Happy. You could feel happy when you are with a friend or with someone you love. Being happy makes you smile. It is a very good feeling. Excited. When you are excited, you are looking forward to the next thing. You want to get to the next thing. So, for example, you could be excited when school is over because now you get to go play and see your friends. So, you are excited that school is over because now you get to do something fun. Another example is that I am excited when I get to come to English class. Surprised. You are surprised when you did not expect something to happen. You did not see it coming. So here, this little boy is surprising this girl with flowers. She did not know he was going to give her flowers. Usually, a surprise is a good thing, but here we see that the surprise for this girl is a bunch of dirty dishes. So that is not a good surprise. Embarrassed. Embarrassed. You feel embarrassed when other people laugh at you or do not or judge you for doing something. I feel embarrassed when I sing la 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 because I do not think I am a good singer. So when I sing in front of people, I am embarrassed. Hungry. When you want food, you feel hungry. You may feel hungry when it is time for lunch or dinner. It means you are ready for some food. Thirsty. You are thirsty when you want water, when you want something to drink. So this woman is in the desert where it is very hot, and so she is thirsty. Tired. You feel tired when it has been a long day and you are ready to sleep. When you want to sleep, you are tired. Stressed. Stressed. You feel stressed when there are lots of different things happening and you are very busy. So this mom is stressed because she is trying to focus and her kids are making lots of noise. And this man is stressed because lots of people are telling him all about all the things that he has to do. Because he has a lot of work, he is stressed. Angry. You might feel angry when someone does something you do not like. So when you are driving and someone almost hits your car, you feel angry. Or when your kid does not listen to you, you might feel angry. Sad. You may feel sad when something bad or scary happens, and it may cause you to cry. I feel sad when I watch a movie and something bad happens to a person I like. Nervous. Nervous. When you are nervous, you are afraid or you are worried about what people think about you. So you could be nervous, like this person, during a job interview because you want the other person to like you. Homesick. Homesick. You feel homesick when you are far away from your home and you miss being home. You may miss your friends or your family or your house. That is being homesick. Scared. When you are scared, you feel like you are not safe. You could be scared of heights, so this man is high off the ground and he is scared. Sometimes children are scared of the dark. So this little girl is scared because it is dark in her room. Thank you for watching my video about feelings. Have a great day.